Did you know that chia seeds can absorb up to 12 times their weight in water? This incredible property not only makes them a fantastic hydration booster, but also helps you feel fuller for longer, making them an excellent choice to help your diet. From boosting your energy levels to supporting heart health, the advantages of adding chia seeds to your diet are endless. In this video, we'll explore the incredible ways that consuming chia seeds daily can transform your life. Whether you're looking to improve your digestion, reduce inflammation, or simply feel more energized, chia seeds may be the natural solution you've been searching for. So what are you waiting for? Start enjoying the rewards of chia seeds today and experience the incredible benefits for yourself. Adding chia seeds to your daily diet might seem like a small task, but it can have a deep impact on your overall health and well-being. And today, we want to share with you the potential life-changing benefits that come with making chia seeds a daily habit. Many of us struggle with common health issues, such as low energy, digestive problems, or a lack of essential nutrients in our diet. We might feel sluggish, bloated, or just plain unhealthy, and we're not sure how to make a change. Maybe you're someone who's tried every fad diet, every trendy supplement, and every new workout routine, but nothing seems to stick. Or maybe you're just tired of feeling tired all the time, and you're looking for a simple solution. Whatever your health challenges may be, chia seeds can be a game changer. Research supports the idea that small, consistent changes to your diet can yield significant health improvements. Chia seeds, for example, are a powerhouse of nutrients backed by science. According to studies, the omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds have been shown to support heart health by reducing inflammation and improving cholesterol levels. Additionally, the high fiber content has been linked to improved digestive health and better blood sugar regulation. Including these nutrient-dense seeds in your meals can be a simple yet effective step toward better health. It's also important to discuss how to best use chia seeds to maximize their benefits. While they're incredibly easy to incorporate into your routine, some may experience better digestibility if they soak the seeds before eating them. Soaking chia seeds in water, milk, or any liquid for at least 20 minutes allows them to expand and form a gel-like texture, making them easier on the stomach. Moreover, portion control is key. A great starting point is a tablespoon per day, which provides a healthy balance of nutrients without overloading your meals. Chia seeds are not only nutrient-packed, but also versatile enough to fit into almost any dietary preference. Whether you're following a vegan, gluten-free, keto, or even paleo lifestyle, these seeds can seamlessly become a part of your meals. You can sprinkle them over your oatmeal or yogurt, blend them into your favorite smoothie, or use them to make chia pudding by soaking them overnight in almond milk and adding a touch of honey and fruit. The possibilities are endless, and their neutral flavor ensures they won't overpower your dishes. Some of us found that adding chia seeds to our breakfast routines has made a huge difference in our energy levels and overall digestive health. And we're not alone. There are countless stories of people who've experienced significant health improvements after incorporating chia seeds into their diet. For instance, one study published in the Journal of Nutrition highlighted the anti-inflammatory properties of chia seeds, demonstrating their role in reducing markers of chronic inflammation. While the benefits are remarkable, it's important to remember that no single food is a cure-all. As with any dietary change, it's best to consult a healthcare provider before adding chia seeds to your routine, especially if you have specific health conditions or dietary restrictions. This ensures you're making informed choices tailored to your individual needs. So what's the takeaway from today's video? It's simple. Adding chia seeds to your daily diet can be a game changer for your health. Whether you're looking to boost your energy levels, support your digestive health, or simply feel more balanced and nourished, chia seeds can be a powerful tool in your wellness journey. Let us know in the comments how you add chia seeds into your meals and what benefits you've noticed. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more health tips and wellness advice.